Hey guys, welcome to Tector's tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to add trust badges to your Shopify store. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you're not familiar with Shopify, this is actually a popular e-commerce platform that enables businesses to create and manage their online stores. So it provides a user-friendly, customizable, and comprehensive solution for selling products or services online. So this offers a range of features including website design and hosting, product management and payment processing, order fulfillment, and marketing tools. Now onto this tutorial, since we're gonna go ahead and show you how to add a payment trust badge to your Shopify store. So an example of a badge would be like this one. So this is what a trust badge would look like. So also, if you're not familiar with trust badges, this is known as trust sales or trust icons or symbols or logos that displays an e-commerce website to build trust and credibility with customers. So these badges are used to reassure visitors that a store is legitimate, secure, and trustworthy, which can help increase the likelihood of making a purchase. So these typically includes recognizable symbols or logos of trusted organization, certification, or payment provider. So these are some of the common trusted badges in here. So we actually have your Visa, MasterCards, we actually have also in here PayPal, Amazon Pay, and many more. And for us to be able to get started onto using this, we're just gonna go ahead and try to get redirected onto the dashboard. Now, one common issue I've come across while reviewing some of the website is that they manually add trust badges to every single product. So while there is nothing wrong with that, it is inconvenient and not scalable. So if you imagine if you have hundreds or even thousands of products in here, so you're going to spend some time adding the badge to each one of them. So we're going to show you how to add trust badges to all of your products with manual effort. So the first step is to have a trust badge image in PNG format. So you could go ahead and try to search for trust badge in here onto Google and try to download this. So let's try to search for something in here that we could use. So for example, we could go ahead and wanted to use this one, the McAfee Secure Visa in MasterCard. So what we'll need to do in here first is we're just gonna go ahead and save the image in here so that we could go ahead and save it as a PNG file. So we're gonna go ahead and add it here onto my downloads. So we're gonna go ahead and save it with the file name of Trust Badge. So we're gonna go ahead and click on the save, and then once you have gone ahead and obtain the trust badge image, you'll just head back here onto your Shopify store, click onto settings in here, and then once you're already here onto the settings, you should be able to see different things in here. Now you'll just have to scroll down here into this custom data. So once you've seen this custom data, you'll just have to click onto that, and you can see the meta fields in here. So scrolling down further, you should be able to add some meta objects. So these are wherein you could create a multi-field object for custom content or data structure. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto add definition in here so that you could add in a name in here. We'll add trust badge. And then right after, here onto the fields, you're gonna go ahead and click onto that, and we're gonna go ahead and choose file. So you could add in a file name in here. Let's add in again trust badge, and then you could add in a description for this, and then right after you could add in some validation in here, and you could see what it accept the specific file type. So we have image, videos. We could also add in accept all file types, so it's just add in specific type since we've gone ahead and we'll add an image or PNG format. So we're gonna go ahead and click on to add for that one, and then right after we're just gonna go ahead and try to click on to save. Now, if you want to go ahead and head on to adding your trust badge already after downloading it, you'll just have to head here onto the left side. So you have here the home order products custom content. So we could see the content in here. We'll just have to click onto that. There are two options, the meta objects and the files. So all we need to do in here is just click onto files, and onto the section we're gonna go ahead and upload the trust badge that we have downloaded earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and click onto upload files in here, and then right after it would show us our files in here. We're gonna go ahead and try to locate the trust badge that we have downloaded, try to open it, and then as you can see, it will upload onto your Shopify store. So we'll just have to wait for this one to be uploaded successfully so that we could go ahead and proceed. Now, so you can see this is what it would look like right after it is downloaded. We have here the file name, the date added, its size, reference, and the link. You could also learn more about files in here if you click onto this link. We also have the search and filter and the sort out. So we could see all of them, or we could go ahead and create another view for this one. So you could upload more files if you click onto this one. And what we'll need to do in here right after we have downloaded it. So remember, it must be in a PNG format. So we're gonna go ahead and click this link in here. So that we could go ahead and copy its link. So we need the URL of this image. Now, once you have gone ahead and copy that one out, we're gonna go ahead and need to add a code snippet to include it onto your product pages. So we're gonna go ahead and provide you with a code snippet. So as you can see, this is what the code snippet. So we have here the image, src, insert Shopify URL here. So we're gonna go ahead and try to copy that one out, and then we're gonna go ahead and paste it in here. We're gonna replace this thing in here. So inside this bracket, we have the insert Shopify file URL here. We're gonna go ahead and paste in here the link that we have copied earlier. So as you can see, this will allow you to include the trust badge onto your product pages. Now, once you have this one in here, we're gonna go and head back onto Shopify in here. So here onto the Shopify. So here onto the left side, you should be able to see the sales channel in here. I need you to click onto the online store in here so that we could go ahead and add in that code. So here onto the online store, you should be able to see this one, the theme. So as you can see, this is the current theme that we're currently using right now. We'll have to click onto the three dots in here, click onto edit code so that you'll get redirected onto another page. Now onto this page in here, I need you to locate something. So we're gonna go ahead and try to search for sections in here. So if you scroll down here, you should be able to see section. And if you click onto this drop down and other things, we're gonna open up. So we're gonna go ahead and try to search for product templates in here. Now I'll just have to find in here the product template or wherein your product is stored. So as of the moment, I don't actually have that many products onto my account. So we're just gonna use this here onto the section. You'll just need to locate in here the page wherein it has your product. So for example, we have here onto this list the main product. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this specific code, and onto this code or inside this, we're gonna search for product description. So we're gonna use in here Control F so that we'll open the find shortcut, and then right after we'll type in here product, then right after description. Now right after, if you click onto next, you should be able to locate the product description in here. Now what we'll need to do right after you've located is we're just gonna go ahead and add it in here, our link or our code. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this one out, and then right after, let's head back onto Shopify store. We're gonna paste it in here, the file that we have updated earlier, and then right after, let's go ahead and click onto save. So we're gonna wait for this one to be done. And as you can see, the asset has been already saved and the trust badge is already added onto your product. Now, once you see the asset saved, just go ahead and check your progress, preview one of your product pages to see if the trust badge has been displayed. So that's just basically it on adding a trust badge to your product pages using PNG. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.